Dear students, in this session I am going to explain about the blood vessels. Blood vessels form tubular network which permits the allow of blood flow from heart to all living cells and then back to from living cells to the heart. So there are three types of blood vessels are there in the human circulatory system. Those are arteries, veins and blood capillaries. So now we discuss about the arteries and veins. So here we can observe these pictures. So here this is the artery and this is the vein. So these arteries and veins are composed three layers: tunica externa, tunica media and tunica interna. So these are three layers are composed arteries and veins. So we can observe these diagrams. So here tunica externa consists connective tissues. So this is the connective tissue, this is the connective tissue. So tunica externa consists connective tissues. Tunica media is made up of muscular layer. Tunica externa made up of muscular layer. Tunica interna made up of endothelium. So this is the endothelium. So here we can observe. So here elastic laminae are two in arteries, but in vein only one elastic laminae is there. So the endothelium basement is called as basement membrane. So here arteries does not contain walls, but vein contains wall. So if we observe the difference between the arteries and veins, so here arteries carry oxygenated blood from the heart to various body parts and tissues, except pulmonary arteries. So pulmonary arteries carry deoxygenated blood from heart to lungs. So veins carry deoxygenated blood from various tissues, body parts to the heart. Pulmonary veins carry oxygenated blood from lungs to heart. So arteries are bright red in color, veins are dark red in color. Arteries are deep seated in the body. That means we cannot observe or we cannot see the arteries on the surface of the body because they are deep seated in the body. But veins are superficial. That means we can observe our veins on the surface of the body. Next, arteries composed of thick wall and there are two elastic layers in the wall of arteries. Here veins are composed of thin wall, there is only one elastic layer is present. Arteries lumen is narrow. Arteries lumen is narrow, but veins lumen is wide. So here the blood flows in the arteries by jerks. Here veins permits the blood flow as constant flow. Next, arteries do not consist of valves. That means there is absence of valves in the arteries. But veins consist valves. Blood flows in the arteries with more pressure. Blood flows in the veins with low pressure. Arteries ends in capillaries. Veins starts with the capillaries. So the largest artery is aortic artery, and largest vein is vena cava. So these are the difference between the arteries and veins. Next, we are going to discuss about the capillaries. So here, capillaries are microscopic blood vessels which connects with arteries and veins. So these are help in the exchange of materials between the blood and tissues. Capillaries are helps in the exchange of materials such as nutrients, gases, waste materials, etc. between the blood and tissues. So these capillaries are composed a thick wall which consists of single cell layer. So this single cell layer is made up of squamous epithelium. Squamous epithelium layer. So capillaries are microscopic blood vessels which connects with arteries and veins. So capillaries join in arteries through the arterioles, and capillaries joins with the veins with venules. So these are help in the exchange of materials between the blood and tissues. So capillaries wall composed of thick wall and a single cell layer wall. That single cell layer is called squamous epithelium. So this is about the blood vessels in the human circulatory system.